If you've ever dreamed of living in the Caribbean, not just for vacation, but actually working and building a life there, then this video is for you. Today, I am breaking down exactly how you can relocate to Barbados through the work permit route in 2025. I'm going to talk about how you can find real jobs fast, the eligibility criteria, the documents you need, and every step to legally move and work in this paradise island. So stay with me till the end of this video because I will also show you the fastest job websites and smart tricks to land a job before others can even get to apply. So why Barbados and what is new in 2025? Barbados is one of the most stable English-speaking countries in the Caribbean, famous for its friendly people, strong economy, and clear immigration system. The government recently began modernizing its immigration and citizenship laws in 2025, making it easier for skilled professionals to work and stay longer. So if you've got a career in finance, hospitality, healthcare, construction, teaching, or tech, Barbados wants your skills, and the gateway in is the work permit. There are other immigration routes, but work permit is one of the fastest means to get in there. So what exactly is a Barbados work permit? A work permit gives you the legal right to live and work in Barbados. It is issued by the Barbados Immigration Department, and your employer applies for it on your behalf. So there are two main types of work permit. We have the short-term permit, usually for up to 11 months, and we have the long-term permit. This usually allows you to stay in the country between 1 to 3 years, renewable if your job continues. So once approved, you can leave work, open a bank account, and enjoy life in Barbados as a legal resident employee. So what are the eligibility criteria? Who can apply? To qualify, you would need a valid job offer from a Barbados-based company, proof of your skills or qualification for that job, a clean police record and medical certificate, a valid passport and 2 passport photographs, and most importantly, your employer must show that no qualified Barbadian was available for that role. So your biggest task is landing that job offer, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So what are the step-by-step process and how do you apply for the work permit? Here is the exact process step by step so you can plan ahead. Step 1 is to secure a job offer. Start applying on verified job sites. I'm going to share them with you shortly. Once you get an offer, your employer gives you a contract. Step 2, your employer submits the application on your behalf. So your employer files the application with the Barbados Immigration Department, attaching your job contract, your job description, your passport, police and medical certificates, and a proof that their company is registered in Barbados. So after your employer must have filed for you, then the third step is you're going to wait for the approval. So the processing can take between 4 to 8 weeks depending on the case. So once approved, you will receive your work permit certificate. Then you can enter Barbados and start working. Travel with your work permit approval, register locally, open your bank account, and begin your new life in Barbados. Now, how do you find a job fast? This is the golden question. Where can I actually find a job offer? Here are the top verified job portals and strategies that work in 2025. So we are going to be exploring one of these websites. Of course, I'm going to drop the list of all the sites you can get the job openings in the video description or in the comment section. So the one we'll be exploring is the caribbeanjobs.com, and you can see right here where it says let us do the hard work, Create your profile now to get noticed, and we will help you find the job you've always wanted. Open the door to countless job opportunities with an extensive list of registered employers. So you want to go ahead and register here. So just click on register now, and it will take you to this page where you can fill this form with your email address and your password so that you have access to job openings. Please make sure you do not make any form of payment. It's absolutely free to get registered, and everything you do on this website does not require you to make any form of payment. So once you're registered, you just come right here, and here you can search different job openings using your job title, and here you can see all the sectors. So you want to search so that you can get to see all job openings within your sector. So here I'm going to select accounting and finance, and you're going to click on search, and it's going to pop up job openings in this sector. So you can see a lot of job openings right here, and they are also current. You can see 17th of October, head of service, insurance sector, senior manager, financial planning analyst, finance associate, temporary accounting assistant, senior credit officer, prospective regional auditors, and all of these. So let's click on revenue account manager. It's a permanent and full-time job. So you can see just go through the job description. What are the requirements for this job opening? Bachelor's degree in accounting, finance, business administration or related field, over 5 years of experience, of progressive experience in accounting, revenue management or audit, gaming and related industry, strong knowledge of financial reconciliation, internal controls and compliance framework, experience working with multi-market or multi-currency operation is an asset. So proficiency in accounting and ERP system, experience with Great Plains, Microsoft or similar platforms, and added advantage. And you must have a strong analytical and problem-solving skills with high attention to details, excellent communication, reporting, and interpersonal skills, demonstrated integrity and commitment to ethical financial practices. So these are the job skills and knowledge requirements. Just try as much as possible to tailor your CV to suit this job opening if you have the experience, so that you can get selected. Just go through it. If you think this is good for you, go ahead and click on apply now and begin your application. If you're already registered, you can apply to as many jobs as possible within a day. And just keep sending your application and make sure your CV is in the right standard format. So what are the tips to get a job offer faster? Here is how to stand out even if you're applying from another country. Tailor your CV to Caribbean standards. Make it a maximum of 2 pages. Highlight soft skills like teamwork, communication, and adaptability. Tailor it to what is expected of you in that job role. So tip 2, mention relocation readiness. Add a line saying willing to relocate to Barbados under employer-sponsored work permit. Then the third tip I'm going to give you, apply directly to big hotel chains if you're within that industry, and also if you're in the finance industry, apply to big financial firms, companies like the Sandals Resorts, Hilton Barbados, First Caribbean Bank, Massey Group, and Sagicor often hire international professionals. So tip 4 is join Facebook and WhatsApp job groups. There are active Barbados job communities where employers share openings directly. So you can get that on Facebook. Then reach out to recruitment agencies. Some agencies in the Caribbean specialize in placing foreign talent, especially in the hospitality, healthcare, and construction sector. So after getting the job offer, once your work permit is approved and you land in Barbados, do this right away. Register for your tax ID and national insurance open a local bank account for salary deposits, get your health insurance sorted out. So warnings and mistakes to avoid: please avoid shortcuts. Don't pay anyone who promises you a job or permit without a contract. Only your employer can apply for a work permit for you, so don't make any form of payment. If anyone is asking you to pay them to get a job offer, it's obviously a scam. No serious employer will ask you to pay them. And also double check the official immigration website for fees and the latest forms. So if you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe, and comment Barbados jobs below. I'll reply with a free checklist of all websites and forms you need. Until next time, stay inspired and keep chasing your island dreams.